share your laptop or desktop or any computer device's internet. So this is what you're going to do. First of all, make sure that you have connected to any internet connection via a Wi-Fi. Mine is connected to this internet connection. I'm right here connected to our home's internet, that is switch home. So I want to share this internet with other devices. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and press this Windows icon, and then I'll look for the settings, and then I'll type settings, or I'll tap on the settings stuff. Then in the settings, I'll go to network and internet, and then in the network and internet, I'm going to come and choose mobile hotspot. Tapping on mobile hotspot, I'll come and try to turn mobile hotspot on, and then I'll look for the network properties. This will be the name for that particular Wi-Fi, and this will be the password I'll be able to use. So I'll just put in these credentials, and then I'll connect to other devices. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Marustek, and I sign out. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.